Dividing mixed numbers. In my video on multiplying mixed numbers, you learned that the key to success is to change your mixed number into an improper fraction. Guess what? We handle division of mixed numbers with exactly the same strategy. Take a look. First off, we change the mixed numbers to improper fractions. So here, 4 times 5 is 20, plus the 4 from the numerator is 24 over 5, divided by 2 times 5 is 10, plus this 2, that's 12 over 5. And now we just handle it like any other fractions division problem, and you've done those before. So our next step is to get the reciprocal or the inverse of that right-hand fraction. Flip it upside down. 5 over 12. And when we invert the fraction, we also use the inverse operation. Swap it out. Divide becomes multiply. Remember, we make life easy if we reduce as much as we can before we do the multiplying stage. We can use any numerator with any denominator. We can cancel these 5s. And we also have these values that work together. 12 is a factor of 24. That gives us 1 here and 2 here, because 2 times 12 is 24. And now we multiply across and we get 2 over 1. And any number over 1 is that same numerator as a whole number. So 2 wholes. Let's do another problem, and this next one won't work out quite so neatly. 5 2/3 divided by 2 3/7. Our first step is to transform these to improper fractions. So here, 5 times 3 is 15, plus this 2 gives 17 over 3. Divided by 2 times 7 is 14, plus this 3 makes 17 over 7. And now we're into fractions division mode, and you got this. Get the reciprocal of that right-hand fraction. Flip it. 7 over 17, and put the inverse operation at the same time. Divide becomes multiply. We can reduce here before we multiply. Cancel the 17s, keep the multiplication down. Nice. Multiply across and we get 7 over 3. You know we never leave our answer as an improper fraction. Simplify it. Change it to a mixed number at the end. So, how many 3s in 7? 2 whole groups of 3 are 6, and there's 1 left over. Keep the denominator of 3 and we're done. 2 1/3 is your answer. All the steps you take in doing a mixed number division problem use skills you already have from your earlier work in fractions and mixed numbers. And I've covered all these skills on my channel. You can review them here. So when you have a mixed number division to do, turn them into improper fractions and off you go. Now you need to do some of these problems and build your math muscle.